Hi, welcome to Market Conversations. Today I just want to do a quick video on Alibaba. Ticker symbol is BABA. It closed at 161.06 and right now it's trading at 162.70 after hours. Today is the first green day in 2 weeks. Alibaba has been selling off for the longest time. If we take a look at the 3 months daily chart, back in June, it was trading around 220, and then it just started to sell off. It did bounce at the 180, and I thought we were going to go back above 200, but that wasn't the case. It consolidated for a few weeks before another sell-off, reaching a low of 152.80, and that was today. Let's take a look at the 1 minute daily chart. So it opened up at 159, and it just started selling off. Got to a low 152. I thought it was going to sell off even more, but it started to trend up, and right now we are 162.69. And the reason for all this is because of the Chinese government. They are cracking down on big tech companies, and as you know, back in July there was a crackdown on education stocks like TAL Education, New Oriental Education. Let's just take a quick look at TAL. This is TAL ticker symbol. We'll just go back to a 9-month chart. It was trading at $90, and right now it's around $4.80. It went to a low of $4. I can see why a lot of investors are worried about investing in Chinese stocks, because something like this can happen to any Chinese stocks that you invest in. We just don't know. TAL was at $90. No one expected to drop all the way to a low of $4.80. Alibaba hasn't been trading this low since 2019. So if you invested since 2019, you would just be breaking even right now. But for the people that have not started a position, now wouldn't be a bad time to start a position, a long position in Alibaba. Just know that this can definitely go lower, but I do believe that we are going to eventually bounce back above 200. I don't know when, but it's extremely oversold right now. This is the RSI, and it's below 20. It's extremely oversold. I do believe that we're going to see a bounce, which we saw today, and hopefully continue on for the rest of the week. So there's an article here, and it's titled "How an Institution is Preparing for the Big Alibaba Rebound Play." It says Alibaba has been slaughtered since October 2020, when it reached an all-time high of $319. Since July 22nd, the decline in stock has accelerated, and although there has been some bounce plays for the bulls, the stock has become risky due to the news out of China, when the U.S. markets are closed, causing Alibaba to gap down on 4 separate occasions. Gaps fill 90% of the time, so it is very likely Alibaba will trade back up to fill its highest gap near the 212 level in the future. After hours on Friday, institutions purchased $611.71 million worth of common shares of Alibaba. It is likely the trader chose to purchase common shares as opposed to options to avoid time decay. It's important because when a block trade occurs, it indicates a hedge fund or institution has taken a position in common shares. A block trade always involves large sizing and is typically handled by a block house privately and outside of the open market. Because block trades don't happen on the open market, the large size of the trades don't create volatility in the stock being traded. These types of purchase orders are made by institutions purchasing a large number of security, and retail investors can find watching for block trades useful because it indicates smart money has entered into a position. 6/28, a trader executed a block trade above ask of 2.2 million Alibaba shares at $160 per piece. The trade represented a $354.15 million bullish bet. So I've been in Alibaba, bought it back, it was around $220. I've been averaging down whenever I can, so now my average is $212. And obviously we cannot predict the bottom. What we can do is dollar cost average into a stock that we believe that it's going to bounce back. And I do believe that Baba will eventually bounce back, because I don't think the Chinese government is going to let their biggest e-commerce fail. I mean, that would be crazy if they did. I also have leap calls. So these leap calls are 350 strike price. I bought these when the stock was trading around 220. So of course the stock has gone down, which means that my lead calls has gone down as well. So I'm down on these, I'm down $2,400. So this one expires in 2023, and I might just close these out, sell it by a closer strike price. Let's say a 200 or 250 strike price, same expiration. Hopefully no one is panic selling right now, because I don't know how much lower it can go, but there's so much more upside to this if we can just hold it for a longer term. Also, I'm not a financial advisor, and please don't forget to like, subscribe. It would definitely help out my channel. Thanks again.